Today, we'll talk about using the Ekran system in large deployments and tell you about its readiness for enterprise environments. Ekran system offers a special enterprise component called the master panel, as well as several enterprise-oriented features such as high availability and disaster recovery, load balancer support, and multi-tenant mode. The master panel. Let's start with the master panel. The Master Panel is Enterprise Edition functionality that simplifies the process of managing insider risks across multiple isolated deployments. The Master Panel is a component of the Ekran system that is used for viewing the sessions of all of an organization's clients. This component combines data from all isolated Ekran system application servers or deployments into a single user interface, allowing all client sessions to be viewed in one place. You can switch between servers and search across all available agents. The Master Panel is a good tool when you want to give a single user or a group of users permission to view sessions only, as it can be installed on a single server or on multiple servers. In this example, there's only one server connected to the Master Panel. Let's now talk about High Availability Mode. High Availability Mode allows you to configure and deploy Ekran system in such a way that it can operate with multiple application server instances installed on different nodes in a Microsoft failover cluster. This allows for balancing the amount of data sent to application servers by Ekran clients to optimize performance. It also ensures data integrity in case any server instances go offline for any reason by using a backup application server for disaster recovery. This system lets you work with servers and databases in various configurations. Such a setup allows for several servers to functionally operate as a single server. If one server goes down or gets overloaded, another server is automatically put into operation, and agents are automatically reconnected to it. You can also set up databases in replication and failover modes, and you can even run in both of these modes simultaneously. Load balancer support. Organizations with mid-size or large Ekran system deployments and with a large number of client machines can use load balancing to continually optimize the performance of their deployments by automatically redistributing the load across application server instances. The system lets you work with servers and databases in various configurations. In the load balancing mode, it decides which server to connect agents to. Ekran servers can work with load balancers from various vendors. For example, Microsoft and F5. Multi-tenant mode. Multi-tenant mode was developed for professional service companies managing the security of their clients and for large organizations with geographically distributed offices and independent departments. This deployment mode allows multiple independent tenants to operate in the same Ekran system environment. Each tenant's data, including monitored data, user credentials, client names, and system configuration information, is completely isolated and cannot be accessed by other tenants. It is possible to create several isolated tenants based on a single environment. In this scenario, different customers will only see their information and will not see the data of other clients. Ekran system is easy to implement in large-scale environments due to its enterprise-oriented features that can be used in any combination and configuration.